Yeah, good evening, Mr. Raymond.
How are you, Emike?
Good, thank God. I just wanted to ask a question. I was on your live for a while. I can see the slight irritation and your ability to still overcome, would I call it harassment? Is it harassment or misinterpretation? I don't know what to call it, but...
It's bullying,
anyway,
bullying.
Bullying, okay.
So
I just wanted to ask,
yeah.
like, are there moments where when you want to stop, like just retreat, or are there moments where it becomes overwhelming and then you ask yourself, why did I start this, or why the judgment, or why the bully? Are there moments you want to give up, and what's the mindset that keeps you going? That's what I want to ask. Like, I'm marveled.
So me too, I'm marveled. Let me ask you a question. Why do you have only one picture on your profile? Just one?
Well, some of us are not cut out for internet and all of that.
Get ready to be disturbed by me. I'm one
of those people that just have their accounts to... I'm one of those people that have their accounts to get entertained and all of that. But I see you, I see some of your videos, I see the comments. I see reasons why sometimes people, would
commit suicide,
be judgmental. But I'm just stunned by how you can keep going. That's all. Like, what's the mindset? What keeps you going? And I'm a Christian, so I know you say God. And so even while we have God and we have the Bible and all of that, but we still face challenge. What's the thing that keeps you going? Waking up every day. Sometimes you even use the bully to make content and all of the bullying to make content and all of that. So yeah, just wanted to know.
Okay, I'm going to answer you in a full-blown explanation, right? Dear Jesus, thank you. It is my why, okay? It is my why. When you don't have a why, you will do things anyhow. I will keep explaining until everyone understand. Not everyone, until those that can catch will catch it. Person when dog they pursue, and person when lion they pursue, not be the same race that they run. Nah, there's no way they will run the same race. Never, not on this planet Earth. So for me, my hunger is so much. Like, my hunger is so much. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry that these people that are bullying me, I will eat them up for lunch. I will eat them up. I go eat now. Don't try that nonsense with me. I work like mad. I know people say, oh, it's not about hard work, don't worry. It's not about prayer, don't worry. Anyone you want to tell me about, your father may be rich, you may come from privilege, you may go to all the schools, you may do, but you cannot outwork me, and you cannot outpray me, and you cannot outwork me in doing the things of God or doing spiritual things. So I put in all the effort. When I come in here, I don't see anybody. I don't see you. I'm not seeing you. Like, I'm not seeing you. I don't care. Who do you think you are? Did you feed me? Did you make my finger grow? Did you add to my hair? Any strands on my hair? What? Are you okay? So I don't see you. I don't care. And most people are broke anyway. So why should I care about your broke ass self? I'm not interested. If it's a certain person that is talking to me or criticizing me, I will listen. Like, okay, this person must have something to say because this person is ahead of me. So I will listen, I'll pay attention to what the person is saying. It doesn't mean that some of the things that the critics are saying are not correct. For example, when people keep telling me, go and fix your teeth, I'm like, you should be stupid. To be stupid means you are slow in thinking. You are slow in comprehension. You'll be very stupid to see me have my teeth for 39 years of my life, and with all the things I've been saying, with the video you have been listening to not understand that this guy knows what he's doing. If he doesn't want to fix his teeth, maybe he's on purpose or he doesn't have the money or something, but you still come up and still talk about my teeth. So what does that one help me? It's just like saying, up NEPA. They will still take the light. It's Nigeria, so why am I shouting up NEPA? So it doesn't add up. It doesn't affect me. It doesn't do anything to me. I don't care. You cannot beat me more than I can beat myself. I've already beaten myself before I came out. So what do you want to say? Why? Okay, I should be concerned about you do not believe what I am saying. Why should I care whether you believe or you don't believe? You are broke. Do I need to believe whether you are broke or not? I don't need it. You are rich. Do I need to believe that you are rich? I don't care. You went to school. Do you need my believing for you to agree that you go to school? I don't care. So it's a mindset, it's a mind and a setting, it's a mind and a setting, a mind and a programming. I have programmed myself like that. I did not come on the internet to come and play. I came here to influence people. I came here to change the status quo. I came here to scatter every rubbish that they believe over time. I came here to raise the bar. I'm just starting. This is child's play. I've not started. This is child's play. And I keep saying it. Some people think that, oh, you are trending now. Take advantage of the trend. I'm looking at the person like, you think I will trend and fade away? You are joking. I have prepared so well. I'm not a preparing man. I am a prepared man. I came prepared. I will trend for so long. Like, so long.
What I'm asking, right? Sorry to cut you. I'm just saying, have there been moments where you've been affected by it?
I don't
know. Like, even if it's for like 5 minutes, or you wake up and see a video and small, is it anxiety attack or something before going and all of that?
No.
I'm truly impressed because most people, most people that bully you and myself, I don't believe it, but I'm just saying, people like me, sometimes I admire people that can keep pushing in spite of the backlash, in spite of the bully. People bring your insecurity right to your face, whether they are right about it or not, whatever the judgment is, but that you keep going is what is impressive. And I joined your live, and while watching your live, I already saw slight bullying. I was like, wow, and you kept going.
I don't care. Where are the people bullying now? Where are they now? I've been streaming for hours. Some of them don't even have data to stay for 1 hour. Why should I care? You can't be the one casting the news and be the one watching the news at the same time. Choose where you want to be. Like, this thing is a mindset. How were you trained? I have trained myself in a special way. So if the person is trained anyhow and he wants to live his life anyhow, I don't care. Why should I care? Like, it doesn't add up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't show up anywhere in my life. I believe I've answered your question.
Okay. All right. You've answered me. I guess it's the mindset that keeps you going. Your reason why. And then no voice, no contradiction, no bullying will stop you. And I'm impressed.
Like, I don't understand. Most of these people...
I hope you can see.
I hope what?
I hope you can consider some criticism, right? Not physical appearance. I'm sorry. I think
I already said that. I already said that. Except you weren't listening. I already said that. Let me
at some point.
So let me repeat what I said.
Sorry.
Let me repeat what I said. I said, it's not that some of the things that some of these people are saying are wrong. Did you hear it? I just repeated myself. So there are some...
Sorry, what did you say?
I said there are some criticisms that are correct. They are accurate. But I don't stay there. You are criticizing me. Where's your own video? And sometimes the essence of you criticizing me is for me to stop, so that I will stop. Why should I stop? Where's your own video? You when they talk. Where's your own video? You know past me, Abi. We are come put your video, we'll watch, so that we go watch. I have a question I always ask people. I ask them, why are you the one watching me? Why am I not the one watching you?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you for answering me. Yes. And I'm inspired. Thank you so much, sir, about the network. Have a wonderful evening. Sorry, man.
And you too. Expect my DM in your DM. Yes. Have a good night. Okay. So, yeah, you can restart if you want to.